Alright guys, today we're going to talk about some more tools for your beard. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, beard tips, gear reviews, and gear tips, then you've come to the right place. Today we're going to be talking about some more tools for your beard. So I did a video not too long ago about a detangling brush and how it is the one tool that you need for your beard. Well, I've got some more tools for you today. So a company, you may have heard of them, Manejack, M-A-N-E-J-A-C-K, reached out to me and asked if I could test out and review their products. So they sent me this kit, and that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. So they have a three-piece kit that's available on Amazon. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this little comb. So check this little comb out. Perfect size. I'm not sure what kind of wood this is, but it's perfect for your pocket. It's perfect for you get done eating and you need to kind of comb through some crumbs. You need to touch up that mustache while you're at work. It's perfect. It does not take up a lot of space in your pocket. It's pretty wide teeth, so it does a good job. Actually, love this little comb. So next we'll talk about the infamous boar hair bristle brush. Pretty much every company seems to have one of these. This one is a little bit firmer than some of the ones I've used in the past. Really like this brush. It does really well. It's got their logo and name on the back. So this one, it does really well. Now I've noticed if I rub it pretty good, I get a few hairs shedding, but that's gonna happen. All right, so this does really well. It's more of a firm. It's not the firmest out there, but it is a good firm bristle brush. And the star of the show, my video that I did a while back, it featured a detangling brush. Now I'll do a card up top, you can go check that video out. But what this one is, check this brush out. Alright, so not only does it pull in the detangling tines, but it also has boar hair bristles in there. Alright, so not only is it fixing your beard by detangling and moving that product, but it's also helping to style that beard because of those boar hair bristles. It is also curved to go with the curvature of your face. It takes a lot less comb throughs. And I'm not one to use a blow dryer on my beard, but it has these slats in here. So if you do like a blow dryer, you can run the blow dryer while you comb your beard. So absolutely love this comb or this brush. It does amazingly well. The curve in it allows it to catch more of your beard with one swipe than the normal detangling brush. So it's pretty awesome. It's got a rubber grip handle here with their logo, if I can get it turned the right way. Got a little hole here where you could hang it up if you needed to, and I think that is a magnet there where you could use for a magnet. But overall, you get these three pieces of gear, basically, tools for your beard, from Amazon for less than $10. You can't beat that. If you guys are like me, ever since I've had a beard, I've carried a comb in my pocket. Always had one. It's just one of those EDC things that I always have a comb on me in the event that I go eat something that's got crumbs and I get crumbs in my beard and I need to get those crumbs out by combing it out. I do something, the wind catches my beard and it gets all jacked up and I need to kind of tame it down. Always carry a comb with me. But this right here is pretty much, like I said, the star of the show. If you have a beard, even if you don't use a blow dryer, this thing is pretty flippin' handy. Pretty awesome. So if you use a blow dryer, I would definitely recommend this brush because you can get that heated air through those grooves straight to your beard and do a lot better job. So get over, check out Manejack, I will drop links in the description below for this combo. Like I said, it's less than $10. So get over, check it out. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And I'll give one more shameless plug. Check out my shirt that I won from Dry Duck. Grit Happens. So pretty awesome. Get over, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.